Hi guys! Today we're studying radical ice. 冰. This radical has only one form and you will always see it in characters. You will never use it as a separate word. Now let's see how we draw it. 1, 2. And it is not equal to radical water. Water has 3 dots. And now let's study its history. As we see in the picture, it was a picture of pieces of ice in water, and a little bit later it was simplified, and nowadays it looks like 2 dots. And these 2 dots symbolize 2 pieces of ice. And now let's study characters with this radical. The first example, it's a word, to clash, to collide, tong, and in this case you need to imagine 2 pieces of ice which clash together. The second example, very useful in oral Chinese, in everyday Chinese, and you might already know it, it's 冷, cold. It's easy to guess why we have ice here, because ice is cold. The third example can confuse you a bit. It's a word ice. 冰. It sounds like our radical. The only difference that here we have ice plus water, and together they combine, they make a word ice. As you remember, most of radicals, they are used as separate words, but some radicals, they are used only as radicals, never as separate words, and ice is such a radical. Example number 4, clean, pure. Obviously, when we look at ice, it's very clean and pure. It looks like glass and we can see through it. That's why word clean, pure has ice. Example number 5, cool, for example, cool weather. 凉, food is cool, for example, or water is cool, temperature is cool. It is not warm, that's why we have ice in this character. Example number 6, to freeze. 冻. Easy, when it's freezing, so cold that we freeze. It feels like we are in ice, that's why this character has ice. As I said, this radical is never used as a separate word. We finished our lesson, and push this bell button, it will remind you about our next class, in which we are going to study radical feather. 谢谢，再见。